Do you have trouble sleeping, want to avoid prescription pills? Then turn to natural herbs for your answer to tossing and turning at night. Today's video is going to be all about the top 5 herbs that can improve your sleep quality, and these are backed by research. Who am I? Hi, I'm Dr. Val, an integrative sleep medicine physician and women's sleep expert. If you're struggling with poor sleep, the good news is that nature offers some really powerful and time-tested remedies. These herbs can promote relaxation, help reduce anxiety, and help you get that deep restorative sleep that your body wants. So let's dive right in. First up, we're going to talk about valerian root, and it's really known for its calming properties. Valerian root has been around for centuries, and it can help people with insomnia as well as anxiety. It works on the GABA system, which is the sleep system in your brain that can promote relaxation and also reduce some nervous tension. Some research has found that valerian root improves sleep quality with people with insomnia and may be just as beneficial as the prescription medication Ambien. Valerian root can be consumed in a capsule or a tea, and it's best to take maybe about a half an hour to an hour before bed. It does have a pretty off-putting odor that smells like stinky feet, so you may want to skip the tea and just swallow the pill. The next herb we'll discuss is chamomile, and this is a really gentle herb that's a favorite for those who have anxiety to promote sleep and relaxation. Chamomile is another herb, and this is really a fan favorite to help promote sleep and relaxation, and it's a component of many of those sleepy time teas that you find available at your local drugstore or grocery market. Chamomile contains an antioxidant called apigenin, which can bind to specific receptors in your brain to help promote calmness and can help you unwind after a long day. It's actually been shown to help reduce anxiety in folks who are actually diagnosed with general anxiety disorder. Pretty cool, a natural anti-anxiety medication all packaged up in an herb. Lavender is the next herb we'll talk about, and it's more than just a real beautiful flower. It's also been effective to improve sleep quality. It has a pretty calming scent, so using lavender as aromatherapy can help reduce anxiety, promote relaxation. There are some studies in nursing home patients who we try as much as possible to get them off of hypnotic agents, because that can cause them to wake up in the middle of the night, be disoriented, and maybe fall and break their hip. And it has been shown to help reduce some of those arousals and even help people wean off some of the anti-anxiety medications like the benzodiazepines. Lavender can be found in an essential oil, something that you can diffuse in the room. You can have it as a candle, as lotion, and that can actually help have some of its calming effects. Some research has found that lavender can actually promote deeper, even more restful sleep when you inhale it before bedtime. Hops is the next herb we'll talk about. You may have heard about it before because it's used to brew beer. It's been used throughout history as a sedative and can help improve sleep quality by calming down the nervous system. It can be consumed in a variety of forms. One of the most common way is in a tea or in supplement. And when combined with the other herb we talked about, valerian root, hops was found to be even especially effective in helping improve someone's sleep quality. The last herb we'll talk about today is passion flower. It's also used to reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. And similar to valerian root, it works on increasing the GABA levels in our brain, making it really effective as a calming agent for your mind before you're ready to sleep at night. Passion flower is commonly used in a tea or a supplement. One study actually found that passion flower extract significantly improves sleep quality and reduce anxiety in patients with insomnia. So to recap, the top 5 herbs to help improve your sleep quality include valerian root for calming down your nervous system and helping you to fall asleep faster, chamomile for its anti-anxiety effects. Lavender also has some really important calming properties, and just smelling it can help if you don't want to take a tea or a supplement. Hops has also been shown to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. And the last one is passion flower. A lot of these work by helping improve that relaxation response, because the more relaxed, the more comfortable you feel, it'll help reduce anxiety levels and help ease you into sleep. Using these herbs as part of your nightly routine can make a real difference in your sleep quality. However, if you are on medications or if you have any underlying kidney or liver disease, remember, all the information here is just for education alone, and I can't prescribe or provide one-on-one care on YouTube. So make sure you talk to your physician, to your healthcare provider about the right option for you. With the right support and a little bit of help from nature, restful nights can become your new reality. All right, ladies, thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about holistic ways to improve your sleep quality during midlife, during perimenopause, and menopause, check out our other videos. Until next time, sleep well.